Rolling. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome into the kitchen. I am Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator. And tonight behind the camera is hubby. Hi, hubby.
Hi, Wendy.
Wendy. Fine.
Hi, wife.
Okay, thank you. All right, and so in the same vein as one of my very favorite YouTubers who is Come Sit at My Table, he's always in front of the camera. His wife is always behind the camera, so they chitty chat together while they make dinner. I thought how fun it would be to have hubby behind the camera today. So let's do that. Tonight, what's for dinner? We are making chicken marengo. So this is a chicken breast dish that is made with tomato soup and golden mushroom soup, as well as some mushrooms. Now listen, this is optional. You know how we are in this kitchen. Measurements are optional. Ingredients are optional. If your family does not like mushrooms, don't be putting the mushrooms in. Don't freak them out. You're fine. You're fine. We can go without. But let's get started. So we have rice going here in the background. It's already going. So I'm just going to turn that down a little bit so it doesn't overcook. And then I've got the heat on here with our oil. And we are going to throw in our chicken. This is 2 chicken breasts, cubed. This is such an easy dish. And what do you think, honey? It's good for leftovers.
Fantastic.
Really good the next day. But I just cut up 2 chicken breasts here. And I'm going to go ahead and add the mushrooms now because, you know, there's moisture in these mushrooms. And so it's going to be okay if they cook up while the chicken is cooking. Let me grab my spatula. And I will stir these together. And then this is on a medium-high heat. And then, listen, McCormick's, we're your people. We really use this. Look at this. Look at this.
We put it on everything.
It goes on everything. And it's going in our chicken marengo. So, just a few shakes here. It's our favorite. I don't know why they don't hook us up, honey. Why are they not hooking us up?
They're just waiting.
They're just waiting. Okay. All right. So we need this chicken to brown. So let's give it 5 to 7 minutes. And we'll come back to you when it's ready. Awesome. Hi. Okay, so it's been about 8 minutes probably, really, that we've had this going on medium-high heat. We just want to make sure that the chicken is fully cooked and getting tender, and that those mushrooms also have lost most of their water. While that was going, we made some peas. They're ready to go, and our rice is also done here. So what's left to do? This is so easy, you guys. Again, this is a meal that you can throw together in 25 minutes, and it's basically a one-pan meal. If you have a rice cooker, even better, right? Even easier. But this is definitely something also that the kids were a fan favorite of growing up, so don't be afraid to try this one out on your kids. All right, so we've got, all right, so now we're ready to add the good juices to this. 1 can of tomato soup going in. I'm hot.
What?
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. And it's done. We are ready to eat. What do you think, honey?
Delicious.
Starving. Starving. And another homage to one of my favorite YouTube folks. Come sit at my table. He always tries it. So here we go. Hey, thanks so much for being with us today. I appreciate each and every one of you joining us at this kitchen table, and there are 380 of us. I cannot believe 380 friends are sitting here at the table with us, honey. Can you believe that?
That's awesome.
And we're so close. We only need 600 more to get to that 1,000 subscriber holy grail that we're looking for. So, chin up. Ciao, ciao. Time to eat. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for a Zen moment. Hit that subscribe button. Come on, man. Hit it. Ready to go. Here we go, honey. Ready? Happy me. This is so good. So, so good. Thank you. See you next time, friends.